Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Swift car Bluetooth when it appears unavailable, an easy guide. First, make sure your car's ignition is fully on, with the engine running or in accessory mode. Next, confirm your mobile phone's Bluetooth is activated and set to discoverable for new devices. Remember to keep your phone very close, ideally within 1 foot, to the car's infotainment screen. This proximity ensures a strong initial signal for pairing. After confirming the basics, navigate to your car's infotainment system settings. Make sure the system is fully powered on and working without any errors displayed. Within the car's menu, locate the dedicated Bluetooth settings option. Verify that Bluetooth is enabled and actively searching for new devices. Additionally, check if any other previously paired devices are preventing a new connection. Disconnect or unpair them if necessary for a clear pairing attempt. Sometimes, a simple car system reboot can resolve connectivity issues. First, completely turn off your car's engine, ensuring the key is removed from the ignition. Allow a full 60 seconds to pass, giving the system time to power down completely. Then, restart your car. If the issue persists, look for an option within the infotainment settings for a soft reset or factory reset for Bluetooth. This can clear any temporary glitches in the car's internal system. If the problem continues, let's focus on your mobile phone. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and find your car's previous connection profile. Select the option to forget or unpair this device completely. After doing so, perform a full restart of your mobile phone. This clears temporary data and refreshes its Bluetooth stack. Also, ensure your phone's operating system and Bluetooth drivers are fully updated to the latest available versions for optimal compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.